software testing tools. First, let us know what are software testing tools means. These are the tools which are used for testing the softwares, and these are often assure the firmness, thoroughness, and performance in software testing. And the quality of the software is evaluated by using the software testers with the help of these software testing tools. And there are three ways of categorizing these software testing tools. And the first type is static testing tools and dynamic testing tools. And these are the tools without means the tools that test the software without executing are static testing tools. And these involves analyzing the code, documentation, syntax, and consistency. And the dynamic testing tools are the software tools which are interact using while execution and provides information about programs at different events and scenarios. And this is another way of categorizing the tools: open source tools, vendor tools, and in-house tools. And the open source tools are the free tools and are available, source codes are available on internet. And vendor tools are the tools where the companies have made the license and often are of cost of money. And in-house tools, these are the tools built by the companies for their own usage rather than purchasing from other tools. And this is the commonly category of types of software testing tools. And in upcoming slides, we'll know more about these 11 testing tools: test management tool, bug tracking tool, automated testing tool, performance testing tool, cross-browser testing tool, integration testing tool, unit testing tool, mobile Android testing tools, and GUI testing tools, security testing tools, and penetration testing tools. First, let us know about test management tools. These test management tools are the tools used to track the testing activity, fast data analysis, automation test cases, and plan and maintain the manual testing as well. This test management used for all even manual testing. And the test management tools is connected with automation softwares. And these tools are capable to design test cases with the help of the requirements that are available. And some of the most commonly used test management tools are Quality Center. This helps us to control the software from scratch, like collection of requirements and planning, designing, etc. And RTH, it stands for Requirement and Testing Hub. And this manage the requirements, test results, and also have bug tracking. TestPad it helps to identify the defects or the bugs, and Test Monitor is a powerful management tool among all these. And these is the wide range of test cases, milestones, and test runs. And practice test is using we can only focus on testing rather than reports and releasing the notes or product, etc. And the secondly, defect bug tracking tool. And this stands for the defect tracking tools are used mainly for tracking the defect through every step in the defect cycle. And it has various tools in it. And these all are used for defect tracking. And the bug in the software is tracked using this tool. And these are commonly used bug tracking tools, and they are Jira means in this the most important among all these. And it is an open source and used for bug tracking, project management, and issue tracking. Bugzilla is an open source and the customer's client to maintain the track or bug. Bugnet is used to reduce the complexity of the code and easy to deploy. Redmine is the tracking tool. It is used to track the issue web-based projects. Mantis BT it is stands for Mantis Bug Tracking, and it supports for multiple projects, and it includes wide range of plugins and provides many optional features for this tool. And Track is used to it is especially for software defects, and it is written in PHP code. And next comes the backlog, and it is a wide range in especially it is used wide range in IT projects and track bugs. And with this, the complete details and issue comments, updates, and changes status are built and developed using this tool. Next comes the automation testing tool. In this, it is also called as test automation, and this is used for this is a technique used to perform using special automated testing software tools to execute the test suite and the data entered in the system under the test to compare expected and actual result for testing, generating, and details for test reports. It demands considerable investment and money for the resource. And these are some of the automation testing tools in the Selenium as we have heard more about this Selenium, and it is commonly used automation testing tool, and it is written in Java, PHP, or C hash. And Water is it stands for Web Application Testing in Ruby, and it is written in Ruby programming language. And QTP stands for Quick Test Professional, and it is very helpful for test engineers, and it is easy among all testing tools. Teldric Studio, it helps us. It is a tool which helps us to load, perform, and functionality, and especially in web and mobile application. Testim it is another automation testing tool which can execute the test case in very little time and run them in a various web and mobile applications. And Apti tools are the tools which incorporate the presented test and create a new analysis. And next comes performance testing tool. It is also called as load testing tool. When we have to measure the load, stability, response time, and the application, we require some of the performance testing tool, which helps us to test the performance of the software or an application. And it is an open source and it is used commercially. And these are the some of the open load testing tools. And Apache JM, it is an open source, and the user or developers use the source code for development of other applications. Load Runner is a powerful among all these tools. And Load Ninja is the tool which helps the product teams and test engineers to write the test script about the test which have been run. And Load Complete is used to create and run automated tests for the web servers and web services. Neoload is used to test performance in the test scenarios, and it is especially used in the bottleneck areas in the web and mobile applications. LoadWeave is used to perform load testing in a real browser that will give the correct data. And next comes cross-browser testing tools. When we have to test our application on multiple browsers, we need cross-browser testing tools. These tools will help us to ensure that our browser application is working fine across the various browsers. And these are some of the web cross-browser testing tool. Lambda testing is a cloud-based tool which we can test our web application on the latest browsers using this tool. Source Browser, it is a cross-browser testing tool which offers us to create our test, execute our test in cloud or any other browsers. And cross-browser testing is the tool which is dedicated for this cross-browser testing type of tool. And it is the most famous licensed tool. It helps us to test in multiple browsers. And next comes the browser stack. It is a cloud-based web and web testing mobile-based platform. And in this, the application through different operating system, browsers, and mobile devices. Ghost Hub tool is used to test our application on any website on multiple browsers and mobile devices. And lastly, Browsera. It is an online tool which is used to test and report the cross-browser design, modification, and scripting issues on our website. And the remaining 6 testing tools will be explained and narrated by Sonia